Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
Hello, and welcome back to an episode of Cooking with Kevin. We're doing baked pretzels, keto style. I'll just go through the ingredient list here. 2 cups of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 cups of melted mozzarella, 2 ounces of cream cheese, and 2 eggs. And then for the wash that'll go on it, we'll do it with 1 egg beaten, and then we'll follow that with melted butter, minced garlic, which I've already pre-done, and then we'll sprinkle it with sea salt and Parmesan. A very quick pretzel recipe. 400 minutes. Ooh, that would be awful scary. 400 degrees for 12 minutes in the oven.
Because baked pretzels, or like the ones that you get at carnivals,
Yeah.
I used to love them, but I wouldn't dare eat them these days.
No, they are not good for.
So, yeah, so this is.
Okay, so I'm gonna add in our 2 ounces of cream cheese, and I'm gonna throw the mozzarella into the microwave. We gotta melt it, but I think I have to kind of do it in stages so we don't burn the cheese. When that is done, I'll bring it back to put all the ingredients together to make the. Well, what we'll be doing is we'll roll it into like a log, and then we'll make our pretzels from there. All right, our cheese is almost done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start putting all the other ingredients together. So 2 cups of almond flour. Tablespoon of baking powder. Just gonna grab the cheese. And it is all nicely melted. And we're gonna add in 2 eggs. And add in our cheese. And we're going to mix it. Okay. All right. So we're gonna roll it in, I guess, into 2 logs. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the gloves. And that's just going to help from it not sticking to the gloves. And Knead it a little bit. We just want to roll it out. I think actually I'm just gonna break it into smaller pieces to roll it out. Because when you use an almond flour, it doesn't bind quite the same, but you also want to be a little bit more gentle with the mix. I guess I should have practiced on how to make a. Oh, you can't even see me. Just all right. Sorry, I realized that you probably couldn't see me, but I was just saying to Kelly that maybe I should have practiced. How do you make a pretzel?
Yeah, just go like that. And then
No, that's a bowl. It's not a pretzel.
like that. You almost had it. Go up like this.
There we go.
There. Just like that. Why don't you get a spatula to lift it up with?
Yeah.
It's close enough.
What did you just do?
Oh, I just squeezed it together. Close enough. Who cares? We're the ones eating them.
I guess the tricky part is not using a lot of pressure.
Mm-hmm. Maybe if you squish the ball in your hand a little bit more, too.
True. I could do that.
And instead of moving it, you could form the pretzel on the cookie sheet, and that way you wouldn't have to move it as much either.
How can I form it on the sheet when I need the area to roll? Why aren't you over here doing this, lady? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Close enough.
Okay. I think everybody gets the gist of this. So I'm gonna finish making these pretzels. Put them in the oven. When they're ready, we'll bring them out for the taste test.
Well, don't forget you got to top them with the butter and stuff.
And I gotta top them with the butter. Yes. Thanks, Captain Obvious. You know what? I wouldn't be able to do this without my wife.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Anyways, we'll see you in a bit. I got them all shaped up to somewhat looking like pretzels. We are gonna start with the egg wash first. And obviously you're gonna be a little gentle. And we'll sprinkle some coarse sea salt. And some Parmesan. And then we'll go in the oven, 12 minutes, 400 degrees. When they're ready, we'll bring you back for a taste test. We just have to wait for them to cool down now. They turned out, looks like they turned out good. I tried to pick the one that closely resembled a pretzel. Listen, I tried. I will admit, I am not a pretzel maker. But it took more than 12 minutes. It took about 16.
Yeah.
I had them in for another 4 minutes, just because they weren't browning up very much. And the backside turned out pretty good. So, of course, all the salt's falling off, but...
Well, you could have been civilized and put it on a plate.
Yeah. Nope.
That is so good.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's a little more fluffier than a normal pretzel,
Oh my
but
gosh.
that's because it's made with almond flour, so it's not going to cook and bake the same, but it is good.
Yep, Tammy's gonna want one of these.
Yeah. The pretzel normal is more dense, but there's nothing wrong with this.
Oh god.
I can't eat anymore because I'm so full from supper.
Oh, yeah.
All right. That's it. I don't know exactly what the recipe gave it.
It just said almond flour
It's
pretzels
just
or
almond.
something.
Okay, almond flour pretzels. So
Yeah.
that is good.
Marinara sauce would be good for dipping it too.